Hi loves, today I am going to show you how I stretched my hair from this to this. Without further ado, let's get started. So to start, I'm going to unravel my hair. My hair is fully washed, deep conditioner and treated. If you guys remembered last week, I said I was going to show you guys what I did with my hair after. So here we are. Now I will go ahead and spray my hair with some of my DIY mist. It is made with hibiscus, fenugreek seeds, and fennel. I will be talking about that in a separate video. But today we are going to focus on how I stretched my hair with a hair dryer, because this is what I did after I pre-put my hair with the okra gel. If you guys remembered, I will leave the video down below. I will also leave it in the card area. So you're gonna walk that through your hair, very gentle. Then I will go ahead to add my Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I wanted to really try it on this DIY because in the past I have used heat protectant spray and I didn't really like how it turns out and how my hair feels. My hair feels very dry and brittle after I used it. So this time I wanted to try something natural made by me to see how it works, and it really turns out amazing, and I loved the feeling how my hair feels after I sprayed the DIY mist. Then I add my leave-in conditioner. I comb my hair as you can see me doing here. Then after I start using the hair dryer to blow my hair. You want to really comb your hair first, fully detangle your hair to get all the shed hair out of your hair and get all the knots and tangles out of your hair before using your dryer, because if you blow dry your hair when it's not fully well detangled, it's not going to look nice at all. So you want to use a white tooth comb, wood comb if you have. If you don't, just use a white tooth comb, anyone you have. So I will go ahead and start blowing my hair from the roots. And please, you want to use heat protectant on your hair, okay? Don't blow dry your hair with hair dryer without using anything to protect your hair. So I will start from the roots of my hair. I will do it to the middle. I will leave my ends first. I'm just gonna concentrate on my roots. If you can see what I'm doing, concentrate on my roots and the middle of my hair, because the ends are the most weakest part of your hair. So you don't want to really use heat on your hands, okay? You want to be very, very careful on your hands. If you haven't joined the family yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also turn your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for all the new subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for joining the family. So I'm just going to continue using the hair dryer to blow my hair. As you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, it does take a lot of time. Imagine, because my hair is very thick and I have a lot of hair in this little head of mine. But yeah, it took me almost 5 to 6 hours, yeah, blowing my hair. So after that, I will go ahead to add a little bit of my Starest shea butter. I have done a review on this product If you haven't watched the video, I will leave it in the card area, also in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out. This product, it is amazing. You guys know I love this product, Starest product. They are really nice for your hair. This is the shea butter. I also have the shea butter also, which I normally use that for my hair twist. I also use it sometimes for my hair. It is amazing. You guys really need to try this product. Like, your hair will love it. So after that, I will go ahead and add a little bit heat to my hair. So the leave-in conditioner and my DIY and the shea butter I just added will fully penetrate into my hair. And when you're adding the shea butter, you want to also add a little bit to your ends. Okay, don't just forget your hands and concentrate just your hair. You want to even focus more in your hands than your hair, than the roots, okay? Because the ends of your hair, as I said before, is the most fragile part of your hair, and it is very tend to breakage. You want to really be careful with your hands. So I will just go ahead and add a bit heat to that. Then voila. I really loved how it turns out. This is my first time since I have this hair dryer, almost 5.5 years, using it to like blow dry my hair directly with heat. I've used it before in the past, but I didn't use the heat. I used the cold version, because this hair dryer you can use it for cold, medium heat, and heat. And I believe I used the medium heat on this one. It was absolutely fine. So yeah, guys, this is how I did it. You see, when you have it in the medium heat or in the high heat, it will show the red. When you have it in the cool part, it will have blue. I will be doing a separate video on this hair dryer. It is really nice, and I think it's a ceramic hair dryer. It doesn't damage your hair, and it also reduces freezing hair, which is really nice. And before I buy this dryer, I did a lot of research. Guys, do your research, okay? Please do your research before just getting your hand into things or buying things for your hair, okay? Now my hair feel really nice afterward. I was very afraid to add heat to my hair, but when I finished, I was loving it, because you know, low porosity love when you add heat. I know it's a bit misconception that heat is bad for your hair. Yeah, heat is bad for your hair, but when you use heat on your hair in the right way, I think your hair will love it, especially low porosity. So guys, this is it. I have finished blowing my hair. I'm just gonna put it in a twist, and this is how my hair turns out. I really hope you guys like it. I do love it, and I've been carrying this twist almost 2 weeks now. Yes guys, 2 weeks. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends and family that will also find it helpful, and I will see you guys very soon in my next vlog. Stay tuned. Bye.